Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we have here is a striker plate which needs adjusting. Let's just have a little look at this. So looking down here, I can tell that it just needs a little fraction above. So let's look at this. Alright, so if I look at this way, I probably just need a little bit, about 3 or 4 millimeters that way for it to actually clear. Now, with this latch, as you can see, it's a triangle. So it really only locks in on this side. We don't need the whole top part, we just really need this edge. Alright, so we have an option. Take the strike off and then file it down. If we do that, we're still going to have to file out the door as well, but there's another way of doing it, and it's a little trade secret, and I'll just show you. We use this one. This is like 30,000 RPM with this bit here. There's special aluminium ones as well, but let's just check this out. So I'll show you at the moment. So your door's not latching.
Oh really? You have not yet subscribed? How ridiculous. You must. Do it now, at once. Hit the button.
Okay, so there's a little trade secret for you, and as you can see, I've just done this point right here, which is just enough for the latch to lock into. Because it's a triangle, we don't need to go the whole way, we just need a little bit up in that corner. And I'm just going to see if I can take a little bit further this direction. Okay, now let's have a look. Look at that, latching. So that took me a total of about 2 minutes to do. I didn't have to remove the strike. I've got some swarf to clean up, and my tip now needs a good clean. There are special aluminium ones. This is a metal one. I use it for stainless steel, metal, all sorts. But, you know, for a quick fix, that gets you out of trouble. There's a little trade secret that locksmiths normally don't share. Yeah, it does look a little bit unsightly compared to actually getting a file to it and all the rest, but we're talking if your custom needs a quick adjustment, the frame's moved, something's moved, and you need to do something quickly, it's a good solution, and it does exactly what it needs to do. And you don't need to do the whole bit, you just do that corner. The latch will be locking up against here, so it just needs a little bit more clearance there, and you're good to go. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.